Let's begin. First we do this, and 1 over 3 multiplied by 3, we can easily cancel this 3 and this 3. Here the answer is 1, and 9 divided by 1 equals 9. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this 9 divided by 1 over 3. And here we have to use key C F rule. Key stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Here, according to this rule, first we have to copy 9 and C change. We have to change division to multiplication, and flip 1 over 3. We have to flip it, and it equals 3 multiplied by 3. And according to this rule, first we have to work this, and 9 multiplied by 3 gives us 27 multiplied by 3, and this gives us 81. And this is our correct and final answer. We can write it here, 81. Thank you.